How to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. It's very simple and quick to do. If you just follow the steps, I'll show you guys in this video. So open Google and search ElevenLabs. Open the main website. Once you are done doing that, it will take you to this kind of page. And now to clone your voice, you can find that option right here, or you can go to voices. Click on clone your voice like this. And here you will find these three main options: voice design, instant voice clone, and professional voice clone. To create a voice clone for professional uses, you're going to need a clean audio of your voice that lasts about 30 minutes so it can create a professional voice clone. So most people go and use this instant voice clone. So I'm going to go and click on that. Once you're here, you will find these instructions. Avoid noisy environments, check microphone quality, use consistent equipment. So what you need to do is record your voice about 10 to 15 seconds in a clear area with no background noises, and you upload that file right here, just like that. So here, as you guys can see, I have uploaded this file to clone. So I'm just gonna click on next, and let's just wait. It will take us to a page like this one. So you name your voice clone and you select the language for it, add a description if it's gonna use for a YouTube voice over, whatever you want. So describe some features of your voice clone, and you can simply click on save voice. So that's how you can go and instantly create a voice clone in ElevenLabs. Not only that, let's check out the other features as well. So let's select voice design next. And let's see what we can do here. So here you can generate a voice by simply writing a detailed prompt. What kind of voice do you want? Like this. And simply click on generate voice and it will generate that for you. You can even go and select settings right here. And inside settings, you will find loudness and guidance scale. So you can adjust them according to your preferences. You can also check out this tab as well. These are all the ways you can clone your voice on ElevenLabs. I hope you found this very helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.